Mr. Johnson, I received your question about finding solution, determining out whether, you gave me 4 equations, finding out whether their slope is negative. The first one, is x plus 4y equal 1. Find out if its slope's negative. Well, there's a couple ways to do that. Okay, what they're wanting you to do here is to find 2 solutions to this equation, and you're kind of having trouble doing that. Notice the coefficient of x here is 1. So if I pick numbers for y, then I could substitute them in and find the corresponding value for x. What numbers do I pick? Well, any numbers will work. 0 and 1 are real easy numbers to work with. So I want to substitute 0 and 1 in for y and then find x. So if I put 0 in, it'd be x plus 4 times 0 equals 1. Or, I'd have x equal 1. So one solution to this equation, would be x is 1 and y is 0. Now I need to find a second one, and this time I'm going to let y be 1. So I replace y with 1, and so I have x plus 4 equals 1. I'll subtract 4 from each side, and I'll get x equals a negative 3. So a second solution to this equation is negative 3, 1. X is negative 3 and the y value is 1. Now with 2 ordered pairs, you can find the slope, you see. So if I find the slope, I need to put one of the ordered pairs here and the other ordered pair in the other slot. And so I'll put the negative 3, 1 here, and the 1, 0 here. And so that gives me what? 1 over negative 4. So I have a negative slope, so the slope of this line is negative 1/4. And this is kind of what they intend for you to do. There's 4 other equations. You have to go through this again. Can be a little bit challenging to get, solutions where both both the x and the y are integers. You can pick an integer for one of them, but sometimes you'll come out with a fraction or decimal for the other. But when you're using the slope formula, I guess having integers would be nice. But you can work with decimals too. Hope this helps.